Hi everyone, Erin with Caldwell Banker Mabry here. This morning I'm starting my shelter in-home tour series for you to be able to see homes in Cornville, Arizona where space is just naturally occurring. So enjoy. Let's get inside. So as we drive to the home, I just want to show you this beautiful ridge that overlooks the home, and that's an old ruin site. There's also a guide of Zane Grey buried up there. Anyway, just a cool place. Now the interior of the home on Sheepshead Crossing, it's just an adorable open floor plan with a really cute country kitchen here. And next I'll walk out to the back so you can see the riparian area. So right now I'm in the back, just beyond the fence, and there is a beautiful ditch back here. It's overgrown. I mean, there's a lot that could be done here, but it's quite lush. Just beautiful. And now I'm looking back at the home, and you can see the archaeological site that's above it. This is the back view, and there's some work that needs to be done to the yard, or can be done. So wrapping up, again, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath on Sheepshead Crossing, and it's only $229. It has a full dry basement. It's just priced right, and it's a great getaway.